What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Kelly Rebuildables. So in this video, guys, we're gonna do something a little bit different, but something that I've always wanted to do. I'm gonna do ceramic coating on a car in collaboration with AVALONKING. So I want to give a shout out to Alexic. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but over at AVALONKING that sent me this kit. Let me show you guys this one, Armor Shield 9. Armor Shield 9. That's the ceramic coating I'm going to be using in this video. So and also, they want to hook you guys up too. So the kits normally are like 69 bucks for this kit. And but if you guys use promo code Cali25, you get a 25% discount. So that'll bring it down to like 52 bucks, a little bit under 52 bucks. So 52 bucks, guys, for one of these kits. I mean, it's pretty cheap, if you ask me. But check it out. Check the video out. Like I said, what comes in the kit? Well, you're gonna get, of course, this. This is one kit, but inside, it's this. This is gonna slide out of the actual box. Now, I'm gonna open this. Now, as soon as you open this, you're gonna get this. It's a thank you note. After that, this is what's gonna come out. The actual coating. You're gonna get like 5 of these little microfiber cloths and the pad to wrap it with those little microfiber cloth. Get an actual microfiber towel, a pair of gloves, and very important, some instructions. Really easy to follow instruction, guys. Really easy to follow. I don't know if you guys could see them. There's 6 steps. 6 steps to follow, and that's pretty much it. Remember, you want to clean your car first. As you're gonna see in my video, you're gonna clay bar it, polish it, and wipe it down with some alcohol, and then apply the nano coating, because you want to have your car super clean before you apply it. That way the coating protects what's underneath. So without any further talking, guys, let's get to the video. Remember, if you want to buy one of these kits, I'll leave the link in the description, and use promo code Cali25 for 25% discount. So let's get to the video. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna use a clay bar on all the car, making sure we remove all the blemishes on the paint, making sure everything's completely clean. Okay, guys, so we washed the car. So now we're using the clay bar on the whole car. It does remove a lot of imperfection, a lot of the stains that were already there. So yeah, I'm almost done. This is the clay on the car, and when I'm gonna use the microfiber on the whole car, trying to clean it off with the microfiber. Guys, looking good. At least, yeah, I know it's clean. So yeah, guys. And you can feel, guys, where like it's scraping. That's where you want to keep on doing it till the clay moves freely, and it's pretty smooth. So see, like right here, kind of gets stuck. That's where you want to keep on going till it's completely slippery. You want to do that throughout the car. You guys could even hear it. I don't know. Let me see if you guys could hear it on the phone. You watch. I don't know if you hear anything there, but we're gonna go up. You hear that? You don't want to hear that. So you want to do it till you stop hearing it. See, it went away. I'm gonna go up here a little bit and you're gonna start hearing it again. Apply some more. You two kind of hear right now. I don't know. Let me know if you guys hear it on the phone. I'm pretty sure you do, but you never know. I won't find out till I see the video. So yeah, guys. Okay guys, so now we're gonna polish the whole car completely. After we use the clay bar, now we're trying to bring as much gloss as we can with the polishing. There's some spots that always, tend to go dull after you use the towel to dry them and stuff like that. So all those little imperfections, that's what you want to get rid of. Because like I said, once you apply the coating, then everything, however it is underneath, it's gonna stay that way. So you want to make it nice underneath. Once again guys, here it is. I'm completely done with the washing, the polishing, and all the clay bar. So as you can see, the car looks clean, looks glossy. So that's what the coating is gonna protect. So if it looks good, it's gonna look better with the coating. It looks bad underneath, then the coating can only do so much. So it's time to start applying the coating, guys. So make sure you get your gloves, because you don't want none of that stuff getting on your skin, because it might irritate the skin. So make sure you use your gloves, all the protection, eye protection and stuff like that. Then you're gonna open those little pads, well, not the pads, the little microfiber cloths, and you're gonna wrap the pad, the foam pad, with it, and just use a couple drops on the pad, on the microfiber, and hit the car. This is the little microfiber cloth that I'm talking to you about, and you're gonna wrap this pad with it, just like that. So now you're just gonna apply some drops on the microfiber. Just hit it all over, make sure it's completely wet, because you can see as I'm applying it right now, you can see some streaks that are kind of staying dry. You don't want that. Just make sure the little cloth is completely wet, so every single pass you do, you're covering the whole car. Every single pass that you do, make sure you're covering as much as you can. You don't want to leave a single spot dry, and remember to do it in a crisscross pattern. If you're gonna go sideways, make sure you go sideways on the whole panel, and then go up and down again on the same panel. Okay guys, so now after you're done with one panel, let it dry for like 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, dry it completely with one microfiber, and with the other one that's completely dry, make a polishing motion with your hand. Try to polish it with your hand using the microfiber until it's completely dry. Then jump to the next panel. Okay guys, do one last walk around just to make sure you hit every spot or you wipe down every spot, because if you didn't, you'll see some blemishes, and you want to rub them down with the microfiber. And yeah, basically check everything else and hit every single panel with the microfiber after you're done applying the ceramic coating. And look at it guys, let me know what you guys think. I think all that work before the coating is gonna help it a lot, because it recovered a lot of that gloss. So basically it's like a mirror now. Everything reflects perfectly, as you can see. And then the coating is gonna keep it that way for a long time. So make sure you polish the car, you make it look nice before you apply the coating. Then remember, the coating is gonna act as a protection, so it's gonna keep the car for a long time the way you leave it underneath. So make sure you wash it, you clean the car perfectly as much as you can, and that way whenever it gets dirty or you need to wash the car, it'll be an easy wash, and then you have the car looking the same again for a long time guys. So basically that's what it is. Let me know what you guys think. I just applied it, so I still need to wait another 3 days 4 days to make sure the coating is completely cured, and it's gonna keep on getting better as it goes. After the 3 days, it's probably gonna have a lot more reflection than what it does right now. So maybe in another video I'll show you guys how it looks after a week, and then probably I'll wash it again after, see how it looks after the first wash. So yeah guys, don't forget that I left the link on the description, so you guys could get as many kits as you need for your vehicles. You get a discount, and check out my description for the link guys. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.